When you get call on your Android phone, if it is not ringing or the volume is not audible to you, what may be the reason behind this? We are going to see in this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video. In general, what happens, the volume of your mobile phone would come down by just tapping here on your volume down button. See, observe this. If by any chance accidentally, if you are just tapping on or holding this volume button, this may go down and most of the things would be stopped from here. And if such thing is happening without knowing, how do you come up in this situation? You can go and tap it on the settings option here. Just go there. Upon tapping on a settings option, and you will be finding into settings menu here, out of which you can get into sound. Upon going to sound, you'll observe all these things are given on your Android phone also, like media volume, call volume, ring and notification volume, alarm volume. If you observe, media volume, call volume, ring and notification volume are made dead zero. This one is active, like alarm volume. Whenever you activate alarm, you will get the sound. But when you get a call, the ring won't be there, as the volume has come down drastically to zero. Now if you want, this has to be in this position. If you want call volume, this has to be in this position. If you want the audio song or something, if when you're playing, it has to be in the volume, then make your volume to upper version. This is how you can do it, so that you're not having any issue now. Despite of doing this, if you are not getting, again, what you can do, go and just hold your power button, restart the phone for certain seconds. Once it comes up automatically, you will listen your phone in a careful manner, and your volume would be set to the actual position. If it's still not happening, you can go and again power off totally, leave it for certain seconds, and then you come up with your power on position. Once it comes out from the power off position, it may automatically set. Sometimes what happen, your peripherals may be very weak, and your volume a speaker which are making a ring may be not in contact. Just gently do this phone like this. So if the speaker somewhere it is there, it may come in contact gently only. And you can also swipe like this, wherever the speaker position is there, it may come in contact. And after doing everywhere wherever the speaker is there, okay, if you don't know, do it on entire phone. So once you do like this, it may come in contact, and you may get the volume back on your phone. These are the simple steps basically you can always do. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.